Hello, today I will record the video about the Menelaus Theorem. I have already recorded this one, but I want to change the previous one. Menelaus Theorem tells us that if we are given ABC any triangle and any intersectoral line DEF, then we can write that DC over DB times AE over EC times FB over AF, this must be equal 1. To prove this one, we need to use law of sines in several triangles. If we assign angle DEC as alpha, angle AEF will be also alpha, and if angle EFA is beta, BFD would be 180 minus beta, and call angle D as gamma. If we write the law of sines in AFE triangle, AE over sine of beta, this equals AF over sine of alpha. So we can conclude from here that AE over AF equals sine of beta over sine of alpha. We can write the similar law of sines in triangles DFB, and we get that FB over sine of gamma equals BD over sine of 180 minus beta. But we know that sine of alpha equals sine of 180 minus alpha, so this is also sine of beta. So we can conclude that FB over BD, this must be sine of gamma over sine of beta. And the last triangle is ECD triangle. There we can write that EC over sine of gamma equals CD over sine of alpha. And if we look at EC over, from here we can conclude that EC over CD, this would be sine of gamma over sine of alpha. Now if we combine all these given information, we get that AE over AF, this one, we have found this here. The next one was FB over BD, FB and BD. And last one was EC, EC and DC. Yes, last one was EC and DC. So we have found that all of the ratios, and so we need to show that sine of alpha times sine of beta times sine of gamma, this over sine of beta times sine of gamma times sine of alpha, this equals 1. And clearly this is always correct. So we have proved that for any triangle ABC and any intersectoral line EFD, we will have this ratio. And this Menelaus theorem is oppositely also correct. If we have this ratio, this means that these 3 points must be collinear. We can see that this will be correct, because if we write the law of sines in opposite directions, we get that these two angles must be same, like AEF and DEC must be also same. So this was all I want to discuss for today. If you got any questions, please write in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.